Imagine waking up on Earth and hearing nothing. No birds singing, no dogs barking, no insects buzzing, no fish moving beneath the oceans. Just wind, trees, and silence. Now imagine something even stranger. This Earth was never meant to have animals or birds at all. No lions, no whales, no insects, no dinosaurs in the past, no birds in the sky, not even ants under the soil. Only plants, microorganisms, and humans trying to survive. Today's question is simple, but the consequences are massive. What if Earth was built without animals and birds? At first glance, Earth might look beautiful. Forests stretch endlessly, grass grows freely, cities slowly get covered by green. But something feels wrong. The planet is unnaturally quiet. No movement in the bushes, no shadows flying across the ground, no life reacting to other life. Animals don't just add sound to Earth, they create motion. Without them, the world feels frozen in time. And this silence is only the beginning, because animals were never just extra life forms. They were workers in Earth's operating system. You might think, no animals means more plants, right? At first, yes. Without herbivores eating them, plants explode in growth. Forests become denser, fields become thicker. Green spreads everywhere. But this growth doesn't last, because most plants have a secret: dependency. They need animals to reproduce. Bees pollinate flowers, birds spread seeds, mammals carry fruits across land. Without animals, no pollination, no seed dispersal, no genetic diversity. More than 75% of flowering plants begin to fail. Entire plant species slowly disappear. Forests become repetitive, weak, vulnerable. Instead of diverse ecosystems, Earth becomes filled with monotonous vegetation, green, but fragile. Animals don't just live on the land, they build it. Worms aerate soil, insects recycle nutrients, large animals fertilize the ground naturally. Without animals, soil hardens, nutrients stop circulating, decomposition slows down, dead. Plants pile up, but don't properly break down. Fungi and bacteria try to compensate. But it's not enough. Over time, soil becomes dry, compact, nutrient-poor. Farming becomes nearly impossible. The ground that once supported life starts to fail it. Here's the twist. While animals disappear, some insects survive. Why? Because many insects don't depend on animals, they depend on plants. But now there's a problem. No birds to eat them. No predators to control them. Insect populations explode. Locust-like swarms consume crops. Mosquitoes spread disease uncontrollably. Termites destroy structures. What was once balance turns into biological chaos. Insects were never evil, they were regulated. Without birds and animals, nothing stops them. Now let's look at the oceans. No fish, no whales, no plankton-eating creatures. At first, the ocean looks calm to calm. Marine ecosystems collapse faster than land. Without animals, algae grow uncontrollably, oxygen levels fluctuate, food chains vanish. Phytoplankton survive, but without balance, oxygen production becomes unstable. The oceans turn into massive, stagnant systems. Life doesn't disappear instantly, but it becomes unreliable, and Earth cannot survive without stable oceans. Now comes the biggest question. Can humans survive on this Earth? At first, humans adapt. They eat plants. They farm. They engineer solutions. But problems pile up fast. No animals means No meat, no milk, no eggs, no leather, no animal labor. Agriculture struggles due to pollination loss. Food variety collapses. Nutrition becomes limited. Diseases spread faster due to insects. Mental health declines in a lifeless world. Humans realize something terrifying. They were never at the top of nature. They were part of it. Earth without animals isn't just biologically broken, it's emotionally empty. No pets, no wildlife, no connection to moving life. Studies already show that animals reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Now imagine a world with no dogs, no birds, no wildlife. Children grow up never seeing another living creature react to them. Nature feels artificial, cold and responsive. Humans feel alone, even on a crowded planet. After a century, Earth still exists, but it's no longer thriving. Biodiversity is minimal, ecosystems are unstable, humans struggle constantly. Technology keeps humanity alive, but not comfortable. Earth becomes a maintenance project, not a home. Every ecosystem requires human intervention. Remove humans, and the planet collapses. Even further, animals were never optional. They were never background characters. They were engineers, pollinators, regulators, recyclers, balancers. Earth wasn't designed for humans alone. It was designed as a network. Remove one group, and the whole system suffers. Earth without animals and birds wouldn't explode. It wouldn't instantly die. It would simply become a planet that survives, but never truly lives, because animals weren't just living on Earth. They were holding it together.